Welcome to Samsung's Odyssey Gaming Monitor Factory. Today, I'll show you how we curve perfection for gamers. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory. Samsung Quantum Dot Technology. Billions of nanocrystals, delivering 1 billion colors for ultimate gaming immersion. R curvature. Samsung's breakthrough, matching your eye's natural focal point, creating unprecedented gaming immersion. Samsung's Gaming Command Center monitors every curve, every zone, every frame. Korean precision engineering for esports perfection.
Samsung's 1000R curvature and quantum mini LED technology deliver gaming immersion competitors dream about. This is Korean precision at its peak.
Samsung AI optimizes every gaming aspect, from local dimming response to input lag reduction, learning from millions of gaming hours.
Samsung tests every mini LED zone at full 240 Hz, ensuring zero lag in local dimming for perfect HDR gaming.
Hz isn't marketing. Samsung validates every frame at full refresh with sub-millisecond precision.
We've found micro cracks on these 1000R panels after the bending process.
The aggressive curvature must be causing stress fractures. This is critical.
We must achieve
the 1000R curvature.
The current stress distribution is unacceptable at critical point.
Our new dual-layer structure maintains curvature integrity by optimizing stress distribution. This eliminates cracking.
We need to refine the microstructure for better diffusion.
The simulation shows improved zone uniformity with this new lens array design.
Notice how the nanocrystals are aligning. The uniformity is key.
Impressive. The color accuracy across the curve is maintained perfectly. We've optimized the G-Sync Ultimate algorithm for these Odyssey curve panels.
The refresh rate transitions are much smoother now, flicker is eliminated.
Samsung Odyssey assembly. From curved panel to 240Hz gaming perfection. Korean precision engineering every step. Korean precision production flexibility. Gaming perfection at every size.
Curvature verification, 240Hz refresh validation, G-Sync certification, HDR 1000 brightness testing, response time measurement, color accuracy.
এটা এনডিওপি শেক দিচ্ছি না অ্যারোল বেসিস উপর ফ্রন্ট পেন জেনান তো সেটা এমনি জিরো রিচ করে দেখুন কটিং হেল দিয়ে দিতে
The 1000R curve puts everything in my peripheral vision. 240Hz response is instant. This is competitive advantage.
Samsung Gaming Excellence. Over 3,000 curved display specialists trained annually in Asan facility.
Elevating esports with cutting-edge displays. Powering champions, one pixel at a time.
오늘 곡률 정밀도 표준에 대해 논의하고 게이밍 성능 품질 목표를 강조할 것입니다.
Today, we will discuss curvature.
Okay, yesterday's output was solid. Let's ensure today's 240Hz targets are met, especially on curvature precision. 15 years perfecting curves at Samsung. We create gaming immersion others can only imagine. Korean precision at its finest.
Perfect curvature. You just built a monitor for esports champions. That's the Samsung Odyssey mission.
Samsung Odyssey quality means gaming perfection. We verify every frame, every curve, every zone rigorously.
This represents Samsung perfection. Every gaming innovation in one curved masterpiece through Korean precision.
We need to isolate the rendering pipeline issue.
Could it be a driver conflict with the new firmware update?
Let's run a diagnostic on the GPU sync first.
Curvature production is on track. Check the 240Hz metrics.
All targets are green. We're maintaining 24/7 continuity.
Now you know Samsung's curved gaming secrets. What impressed you most? Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory for more manufacturing deep dives. Next, LG OLED gaming monitor secrets. Then, Asus ROG manufacturing precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.